boys and girls, and welcome back to Mrs. Fairy's classroom. All right, we're going to get started today with a song, and this is our hello song. But first, let's get my friends, Miss Kitty, hello boys and girls, and Jerry the giraffe, hello boys and girls. And they're going to sing with us. Are you ready? Remember, you sing the echo, I sing first, then you sing. And then we all sing, and we're all here together again. We sing that part together. All right, here we go. Let's start the music. Hello there.
Hello there.
How are you?
How are you?
It's so good.
It's so good
To see you.
to see you.
We'll sing and
We'll sing and
be happy.
be happy.
And we're all here together again. Hello there.
Hello there.
How are you? How are you? It's so good. It's so good to see you. To see you. We'll sing and be happy. Be happy. And we're all here together again. Hello there.
Hello there.
How are you?
How are you?
It's so good
It's so good
to see you.
to see you.
We'll sing and
We'll sing and
be happy.
be happy.
And we're all here together again. All right, good job. Boys and girls, last week we talked about shapes, and we did a song about shapes. And I said for this week for you to bring a shape so that we can do a shape song together. Now, if you didn't have time to go get your shape, go get it now. Just press pause, hit the space bar, and it'll pause my lesson, and go get your shape. If you don't have a shape already, you can just get a piece of paper and you can draw a shape on it. I think I will take this piece of paper and I'm going to draw a circle on my piece of paper. Let me draw a circle. So I could use this as my shape in the song. Can you see that? Now, what if you don't have a piece of paper and a pen, you can draw a circle? I took the lid off of something, that can be my circle. And let's go over our shape. So this is a circle. This is a what? A square. And a square has how many sides? 4, that's right. 4 equal sides. That means they're all the same length, right? 4 equal sides. Good job. Now, the next one is a rectangle. And a lot of times, boys and girls get rectangles and squares mixed up. Well, the difference is that the square has 4 equal sides, but the rectangle, even though it has 4 sides, they're not all the same length. You have 2 long sides here, and then 2 short sides. So we do have 4 sides. That's something they have in common, but they are not the same thing. The difference between these has 4 equal sides, the square has 4 equal sides, and the rectangle has 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Okay, so this is a rectangle, and you know what is the shape of a rectangle? A cell phone. So a cell phone has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All right, the last shape we're going to go over is a triangle. Did you find any triangles around your house? Because I could not find a triangle around my house, so I just had to make one. So this is a triangle, and a triangle has 3 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Do you have your shape? Are you ready for the shape song? Here it is. Get your shape and let's rock out. Here we go.
Shapes,
Shapes.
shapes,
Shapes.
we're gonna play a game with shapes. If you listen
Very carefully, I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
if you have a circle, stand
All right,
up.
if you have a circle, stand up.
If you have a square, stand up.
If you have a square, stand up and dance.
If you have a triangle, stand up.
Squares, if you're a square, stand up.
Rectangle, sit down.
Goodbye, rectangle.
Circle, stand up.
Hello, circle. Circles and squares are dancing.
Square, sit down.
Goodbye, square.
Triangle, stand up.
Hello, triangle. Triangle and circles are dancing.
Rectangle, stand up.
Oh, now three of them.
Square, stand up.
Now all four shapes are standing up and dancing.
Everybody sit down.
Here we go.
Shapes,
Shapes.
shapes,
Shapes.
we're gonna play a game with shapes. This time choose a different shape and we'll start all over again.
All right. So you can do this song again. Just reverse it and just pull out a different shape, and you can do a different shape with their song. All right, now we're going to go on to our next song. Boys and girls, now we're going to talk about the seasons of the year. And I have a song that goes with the seasons of the year. And we're going to talk about the season that's coming up very, very soon on Tuesday, September 22nd. Do you know what that day is? No, it's not my birthday. It might be your birthday, but it's not my birthday. Tuesday, September 22nd is the first day of fall. Yes, fall. F-A-L-L, fall. And fall is the time when the leaves begin to change color. And you'll see the different colors like red and orange and yellow. Right now, all the leaves are green. But pretty soon, they're going to be changing color. And the temperature is going to begin to change, where it's a little bit colder. So maybe just a little bit chilly in the morning. But then midday, afternoon, it gets warm. And then at night, it starts to get chilly again. And so that is the season of fall. After fall, all the leaves have fallen down, and it's winter time, and there are no more leaves on the trees. And in the winter time, it's cold a lot. And so in the cold wind blows, and the winter days are shorter. So we can't play outside at night anymore because it's going to be dark. And then in the springtime, the leaves begin to grow back, and the flowers begin to bloom. And then we have summer, and that's when it's just hot all the time. Hot in the morning, hot in the afternoon, hot at night. It's just hot. But the great thing about summer is the nights are shorter, the days are longer, so we have a lot more time to play outside. Okay, so we're going to do a song round, and this season's song has the 4 seasons: fall, winter, spring, summer. And this is the letter, if you said A, I tricked you, because this is the letter F. And fall starts with the letter F. And F makes the F sound. Can you say fall? Do it again. Fall. There you go. And that's the letter F. All right? And this is the letter A. And you might be thinking, well, why is she talking about A when we're talking about fall, which starts with the letter F? Well, fall has another name. Some people call it fall, which starts with F, and some people call it autumn, which starts with the letter A. And look, the letter A kind of reminds me of a triangle at the top. So here are the 2 peaks of the triangle, and then there's just a little connector there in the middle. So A is for the word autumn. Some people call it autumn. Some people call it fall. We're going to call it fall in our next song. Repeat after me. I want you to get your leaves up, and I'm going to pretend you're a tree and go, fall is the time when the leaves fall down. Can you do that for me again? Fall is the time when the leaves fall down. Now we're going to name them orange, yellow, and golden brown. Orange and yellow and golden brown. And then get your leaves back up. Fall is the time when the leaves fall down. Very good. Let's do that much of the song together. Get your leaves up. Leaves are up.
Winter is the time.
Let me start that over again. Get your leaves up. Here we go. Fall is the time when the leaves fall down. Orange and yellow and golden brown. Fall is the time when this and say, winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Do that. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Now we're going to sing it. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Sing it one more time. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Now, I'm going to say, I have a snowsuit for when it snows. I have a snowsuit for when it snows. And then we go back like this. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Let's put it with the music. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Yes. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. I have a snowsuit for when it snows. Winter is the time when the cold wind blows. Okay, next it is spring. I want you to get your hands like this, and I want you to go, spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Ready? Say it with me. Spring is the time when the flowers bloom. And now we're going to sing it. Spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Now say, roses and daisies for teacher's room. Roses and daisies for teacher's room. And then spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Get them ready to bloom again. Spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Let's do it with the music. Ready? Spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Roses and daisies for teacher's room. Spring is the time when the flowers bloom. Last but not least, summer, one of my favorite seasons. Summer is the time when the sun shines hot. I like to swim, so I swim a lot. Sing that with me. Summer is the time when the sun shines hot. I like to swim, so I swim a lot. And then at the end, summer is the time when the sun shines hot. And make a sun. All right, here we go. Summer is the time when the sun shines hot. I like to swim, so I swim a lot. Summer is the time when the sun shines hot. Give your sun up. Now take a bow. Very good. You did a great job today. So let's go over some of the things that we learned in music. We learned our shapes. We learned that this is a triangle. This is a rectangle. Remember, 2 long sides, 2 short sides. This is a circle. This is a square. And we learned that fall is a season that starts on September 22nd, which is a Tuesday. And the word fall starts with the letter F. And the word autumn starts with the letter A. Okay, make sure you go to the next slide and look at another little thing I've got down for you about the seasons of the year.